So I need not to go out and then buy water before I can get water to feed my pigs. This is the river we will be using to feed the pigs. So I'm fortunate. Yes, I'm fortunate to get this river here. So whenever you are acquiring a land for pig farming, make sure you look for a land that you can get a river on it, or a river should be closer to the land for you to get enough water to feed the pigs and also to clean the pens as well. So this is the river that I'm fortunate to have. You're welcome to Obojinyechi channel. We normally give you theories of what we do on this channel, but I've realized that all what I've been teaching my subscribers, there should be practicals. So as you can see here, we've come to acquire this land. We have 2 plots of land that we are going to do pig farming here. The reason why I want you to see the startup is that you have to know how a beginner is supposed to start with this pig farming business. I can decide to start and then do it to a certain level before you will know it, but as a beginner you need to know it from the scratch. We are purchasing the land today as we speak, from the foundation, doing the footing, doing the demarcation of the rooms, that's the pen, bringing the pigs in, starting with their feeding, everything that we are going to do. I will make sure you have the video of it, so that if you're a beginner, you will also know how to start with it when you are entering into pig farming. So stick and stay on this channel so that you will learn much from it. So from today, I will always bring you to this land as we start our pig farming business. So we decided to get a land that there is river on it. The reason is, you know, when you are rearing pigs or doing pig farming, you need to get water close to you so that they also get enough water to drink. Because when you are feeding pigs, you need to get them enough water as well so that they can grow bigger and then faster. Look at this river here. We have this huge river, so I need not to go out and then buy water before I can get water to feed my pigs. This is the river we will be using to feed the pigs. So I'm fortunate. Yes, I'm fortunate to get this river here. So whenever you are acquiring a land for pig farming, make sure you look for a land that you can get a river on it, or a river should be closer to the land for you to get enough water to feed the pigs and also to clean the pens as well. So this is the river that I'm fortunate to have. Apart from getting land close to water so that you can get access to water to feed your pigs and also to clean the pens, the land should not be in the middle of the town because of other issues, but also not too far from markets or feed suppliers. Good road access is also very important for transporting pigs and feed. Another thing is avoid swampy land Pigs don't do well in wet environment, and slightly sloped land is ideal for drainage. So you need to consider all these before acquiring land for your pig farming. If you are in Ghana and you need a land like this to do your farming, or even if you are not in Ghana but you want to invest in farming in Ghana, you can contact me and then get this kind of a land for your farming.
I started.
So as I said in the beginning of this video, we are going to be here normally to do our pig farming from the scratch. We are going to begin from the foundation. The number of pigs we are going to start with will be known in our subsequent videos. So stick and stay as you know everything that you need to know about pig farming and also other farming. We are not going to do only pig farming here. There will be other farming on this channel as we normally do. Everything you need to know about what you want to do in farming is on this channel. So stick and stay and subscribe to this channel so that you get everything you need to know about farming.